Listen, if he doesn't build, you don't carry it. Atlogela bago, let them talk. Pack your bags for your tsamaya. Udi morete le tsepele.
God is leading us.
TSAMAYE TLOGELA DILO TSEO MORAGO.
Let's go, leave those things behind.
Fake vibes,
we have no time for fake vibes on the road. Don't sit in the dark like before. Straight.
Don't sit
in the dark like before.
Straight. Too many weights in the backpack, how can you fly? Too many fake day ones feeding you alive. They smile most if I live
in your face,
but look at the back, hoping and praying that Scribe One is gonna grab. But they never will. We cutting off the dead weight, clearing up the space. No shortcut to the blessings. We running our own race. If a charm is toxic, pull the plug, let it go. You need a clean spirit for your talent to show. TSAMAYE TLOGELA DILO TSEO MORAGO.
Let's go, leave those things behind.
Fake vibes,
we have no time for fake vibes on the road. Don't sit in the dark like before. Don't sit in the dark like before.
Respect to the journey, we moving multi-lane.
On the path,
with the Almighty beside us, Scribe One.
we don't go backward.
The Talata VV1 is the hype and the VIP club. But when the storm hit, they gave you the shrug. Now we walk with the angels.
We step with the light.
More to be lady, say la tabo sigo. So look straight to the future, don't glance at the past. The chains have been broken. We are free at last. Leave it behind. Pack up your bags. Move to the light. Straight to the top. Pack up your bags. Move to the light. Straight to the top. Leave the jealousy behind. Leave the fake friends behind. Secure the vision. Moti mokene arifanga.